In this video, I am going to explain the Python program to count the number of alphabets, consonants, vowels, digits and special characters in a particular sentence. The concept of this particular program is whenever we execute the program and give some input value. Say here I am giving the input as hello space at the rate space 123. Now from this particular statement or string, how many alphabets are there, how many special characters are there, how many digits are there, how many vowels are there and how many consonants are there, that is to be displayed. See here in the output it is being displayed as number of alphabets 5, that is HELLO is 5 alphabets, number of digits 3, that is 1 2 3 are the 3 digits in this particular string, number of special characters are 3, that is at the rate and the space which is occurring after hello and at the rate symbol. Even the space or white space will be considered as a special character. So number of special characters is 3. Number of vowels are 2. That is, we know that vowels are A, E, I, O, U, right? So here E and O are there. So number of vowels is 2. Other than vowels, whatever the characters that are existing, we call them as consonants. So H, L and L are said to be the 3 consonants in this particular string. So this is how this program is executed and this is the concept of this program. Now, what is that we are writing in order to get this particular output? See, first of all, we are accepting a string from whom we have to count the number of alphabets, consonants, vowels, etc. So that string is being assigned to a variable called as s. As you have seen in the output just now, I have entered a string called as hello at the rate 123. That is assigned to the variable s. Then I am initializing all the 5 variables to 0. That is alphabets, digits, special, vowel, consonant. Each represent each type of character and I am initializing all of them to 0 initially. Then using the for loop. For I in range of length of s, len is a predefined function which will return the length of a string. Length means the number of characters available in that particular string will be returned by the len function. For suppose hello at the rate of 1 to 3 means if you count the characters HELLO 5, white space 6 at the rate 7, again white space 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11. So in this particular string len of s, we is going to return the value called as 11. len of s is going to return the value called as 11 because we have 11 characters which we have entered in the string. Now range function, that is it will consider like this. So whenever len of s value is taken as 11, range function will be executed like this, range of 11. That is the counting will start from 0 to 10. As we know that range function excludes the last value. Now we have two predefined functions in Python in order to identify whether the given character is alphabet or not and digit or not. That is alpha is a predefined function in Python. Whatever the input we are giving to that particular function, it will return true if it is an alphabet or else it returns false. The same case is with isDigit. It will identify whether the given input value is a digit or not. Now, what is that code we have written? If s of I dot alpha, that is in s of 0, since index position 0, in s of 0, we will be having h. In s of 1, we will be having e. HELLO, hello, right? So s of 0 h, s of 1 e, like that the allocation will go on. Okay. Now, if s of I dot is alpha, that is I value will be 0. S of 0 dot is alpha, which means h dot is alpha. Is h an alphabet? Yes, it is an alphabet. So, whatever the character we are assigning to is alpha function, if it is an alphabet, then the value of variable alphabets will be incremented each time. The same case is with the digits variable. Whenever the value we are assigning to the digit is digit function, if it is a digit, then the value of variable digits will be incremented by 1 every time. If the input value is not an alphabet, is not a digit, then it must be a special character. So the value of variable special will be incremented. For example, in the input we have given at the rate is a special symbol. So it is neither an alphabet nor a digit. So if block will not be executed and also the elif block will not be executed. Then obviously the else part will be executed where the value of variable special will be incremented by 1. How many special characters are there? Else block will be executed those many number of times. This is about counting the number of alphabets, digits and special characters from the given string. Now coming to vowels and consonants. For that again we have written a simple if and elif blocks. If s of I in a, e, I, o, u. As we know that in English there will be only 5 vowels. Out of 26 alphabets we have from A to Z, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels and rest of them are consonants. So in is a predefined operator in Python where we will be checking the equality with multiple values. So if s of I in of a, e, I, o, u, that is in the string if we have a or e or I or o or u, then the value of variable vowel will be incremented by 1 every time. Just like in the input we have given, we have e and o as the vowels. So this vowel will be incremented 2 times and its value will become 2 as you can see in the output. Then if the given character, if there is no a, e, I, o, u in the given string, then obviously it has to be a consonant. For that what we have written, if s of I greater than or equals to a and s of I less than or equals to z. That is the consonants should range between a to z. Okay, so here in the string we are not considering the digits and special characters whenever we are counting the consonants. For that purpose we have written this condition s of I greater than or equals to a and s of I less than or equals to z. So all the characters between a to z will be counted as consonants. So every time the elif block is executed, the value of variable consonant will be incremented by 1. So this is how this particular program will work. Thank you.